Okay, hello. My name is Jude Hanson, and I'm going to be making a video on the circuitry within the X-ray unit itself. What happens once you push that button? Well, I'm going to try to explain as best I can what happens when you do. First thing that we do, though, is we got to get some power to power this device, and that's coming from our electric company right here. Through the wall outlet is plugged in, or wired in, I guess, through a breaker. And the breaker is coming in the power at 210 to 220 volts of electricity. And that is not going to be enough for us to make an X-ray. We deal with kilovolts, so we're going to have to step it up in power anyways. And we have the operator's console where we are able to choose how much we want to use for our kilovolts, our kVp. We select that right here, and then it goes to a transformer. And then this transformer, as you can see, is on the low voltage side right here. This is all basic low voltage, and then you got your high voltage over here, and then you got your filament voltage here. So there's three different kinds of current going through the X-ray device itself. But back to low voltage. Okay, power's coming in, kVp selected. What's happening now? We got it right here. We need to step it up to kilovolts. Okay, so now we're getting some good power, at least 1,000 volts. And we're coming on up into our rectification unit. And it's very excited. Kilovolts. And this rectifier turns all of the electricity into pulsating direct current, which means it's they're traveling in one direction only, not alternating current, opposite, just one way. And there's stops, and then there's like a roundabout, I guess, is kind of the way to control the traffic, I think, is the best way for me to think of it. And you hear it up here as your stator is spinning from the electromagnets caused by your button. When you push that, you heard that. Well, there's more to it than just that. We got to come over here to our variable resistor. And with this variable resistor, we are able to step down how much power we want to give it. So we're going to be applying some resistance. Right here is what this is. It's like a dimmer switch that you install in your home for your bathroom or wherever. You know, if you want to dim the lights or brighten the lights, you can, you know, use a resistor or a variable switch. It's kind of what this thing is. But with this right here, it's one way directional current traveling into the tube right here. And this is on the cathode side. This has a negative charge as well. It needs to make sure that this is a negative charge over here. And then over on this side, this is a positive charge. And when the current is induced inside the tube itself, the filaments within the focusing cup light up. And the negative charge repels the electrons, so they come flowing out, and they're being pulled over to the other side through the vacuum envelope of the tube itself to the spinning anode. And they're focusing in on a target area or a focal track on that spinning anode itself. And they're colliding inside of there. And when they collide, it's creating a thermionic emission. And all of our photons that were created are being emitted out of the tube housing. And that is the way that it works when you push the button. That's what I've learned about it here with this chapter. Please feel free to like and let me know how I did. Thank you.